Natural vegetation and wildlife. Today we are going to discuss about exercise part. In our exercise page, first set of questions, answer the following questions. Read the first question. Which are the two factors on which the growth of vegetation mostly depends? Answer is given in the first page. Please look at that. The growth of vegetation that depends on temperature and moisture. The two factors, any two factors, the two factors on which the growth of vegetation mostly depends are temperature and moisture. That is question number 1. Okay, is it clear? Then comes question number 2. Which are the three broad categories of natural vegetation? Answer is given in the same page. Natural vegetation is generally classified into three broad categories. First, forest. Next page, grasslands. Then, sea shrubs. Okay. Grasslands and shrubs. Then the explanation is also given. That is the first one, that is a forest, which grow where temperature and rainfall are plentiful to support a tree cover. Then grasslands, on which grow the region of moderate rain. Shrubs, thorny shrubs and scrubs grow in the dry region. Okay, this is the question number 2. Then third one, name the two hardwood trees commonly found in tropical evergreen forest. Any two hardwood trees. Answer is given tropical rain for evergreen forest, that paragraph. Hardwood trees, any two you can write. Rosewood, ebony, mahogany are common. Any two you can write. Maybe rosewood and ebony. Okay. Then comes question number 4. In which part of the world are tropical deciduous forests found? Which part of the world are tropical deciduous forests found? Then answer is given tropical deciduous forest, that paragraph. Tropical deciduous forest are the monsoon forest found in the large parts of India, northern Australia and in Central America. Okay, that is question number 4. Then comes question number 5. In which climatic conditions are citrus fruit cultivated? In which climatic conditions are citrus fruit cultivated? Then answer is given in the paragraph. Please look at that one. Citrus fruit such as oranges, figs, olives and grapes are commonly cultivated in a Mediterranean region. Because these Mediterranean region, because these regions are marked for the hot dry summers and mild rainy winters. That is the answer. Okay. Please look at that one. In which climatic conditions are citrus fruit cultivated? Citrus fruits such as oranges, figs, olives and grapes are commonly cultivated in the Mediterranean region. These regions are marked for hot, dry summers and mild, rainy winters. Okay, that is question number 5. Then comes question number 6. Mention the uses of coniferous forest. Okay, answer is given in the same page. Coniferous forest. Coniferous forest, you can write coniferous forest. Coniferous forest are tall, softwood evergreen trees. The wood of these trees are very useful for making pulp, which is used for manufacturing paper and newsprint. Match boxes and packing boxes are also made from softwood. Softwood trees, examples you can write as pine, cedar, etc. Okay. That is the answer of question number 6. Okay. Then comes seventh question. In which part of the world is seasonal grasslands found? Seasonal grasslands are found in the mid latitudinal parts. Okay, that is given in the page number. Seasonal grasslands are found in the these are found in the mid latitudinal zones, okay, and in the interior part of the continents. Okay, then comes tick the correct answers. Okay, read the question number 1, tick the correct answers. Mosses and lichens are found in option number C, tundra vegetation. Then second type of question, thorny bushes are found in the hot and dry desertic climate, option number B. Third one, in tropical evergreen forest, one of the common animal is monkey. Next question, one important variety of coniferous forest, that is pine. Then fifth one, steppe grasslands are found in Central Asia. Okay, these are the answers. Tick the correct answers. Okay, you can put tick mark there in the textbook itself. Okay, then comes match the following type of question. Walrus, a polar animal. Walrus, a polar animal. Okay, you can. Okay, from here to here. Okay, sorry. Walrus, polar animal. Okay, then cedar, softwood tree. And the first option. Okay, olives, a citrus fruit. A citrus fruit. Then elephants, an animal of tropical deciduous forest. Cambos, tropical grassland of Brazil. Dons, temperate grassland in Australia. Okay, dons, temperate grassland in Australia. These are the match the following type of questions. Then give reasons. The animals in the polar region have thick fur and thick skin. Answer you can write, to protect themselves from the cold climate. Okay, to protect themselves from the cold climate. You can write there, to protect themselves from the cold climate. Then next question, tropical deciduous trees shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve water. Okay, answer is given in the tropical deciduous trees, that part. Okay, please go through that. Tropical deciduous forest. Mediterranean vegetation, then comes tropical deciduous forest. Trees shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve water. Okay, that is the answer. Third one, the type and thickness of vegetation changes from place to place because of the variation in temperature and moisture. Because of the variation in temperature and moisture. In your answer, the following question, first question is given, which are the two factors on which the growth of vegetation mostly depends? The two factors such as temperature and moisture. Okay, the answer is same. The type and thickness of vegetation changes from place to place. Give reason, because of the variation in temperature and moisture. Okay, these are the question answer section. Then one more activity is given. Okay, you can do that activity. It's very interesting. Collect pictures and photographs of forest and grasslands of different parts of the world. Write one sentence below each picture. Okay, or one such activity is also given. Make a collage of rainforest, grassland and coniferous forest. These are the two activities given for this lesson. You can do any one activity. Okay, You can select any one. Which one is very simple or which one is very easy for you, you can select that one. Okay, all the students do that activity. Okay.